At Sol-Ark, we know that top-tier products mean nothing without top-tier support. That's why we've doubled down on making our technical support not just responsive, but reliable. In 2025, our average answer rate improved to nearly 90%. We are on target to answer more calls by the end of May than we have in all of 2024. And our average wait time, just 18 seconds. When you call, we pick up fast. We've also trimmed nearly a minute off our talk time while increasing our agent support duration by over 3 minutes. Now that is not a contradiction. It means we're taking time where it counts. We're solving issues thoroughly, updating support tickets, creating knowledge articles internally, and making sure they stay solved. And yes, our post-call documentation is taking longer, but that just means the issues we tackle are more complex, and we're putting in the time to document and follow through. We understand that each solar installation, whether residential or commercial, with or without battery or generator backup, presents unique challenges. To support your success, we offer comprehensive training through Sol-Ark University and the widest technical support available to help you deliver an exceptional customer experience. We're not ignoring it, we're working on it. Support isn't a bonus or an afterthought, it's essential. And at Sol-Ark, we're committed to making sure you're never left without the help you need. That is our promise. Need assistance? We're here, and we're ready.